Hello, fellow mutants. Today we have an unboxing of my favorite metal and another popular metal. So let's dig in. You always wonder how the United States Postal Service feels about people using their mailers for packaging. People do it all the time, but especially on eBay. I guess they don't care. They must know. They just leave it out for people to do as they will. And here we are. All right, so I was interested to see, I think the quantity I got must not have exactly matched the requirements for a tube, a large size tube. So these were actually on sale for $1.49 for any quantity. Ooh, wow, look at that. And that's pretty good for a copper round. You know, this is the Golden State Mint, and they do offer these second marked rounds. That says second mark, meaning they're of a second quality batch that was, instead of throwing them away, they offer them at a super cheap price. So you can get cheaper copper rounds if you're just looking for the utility, about $1 maybe. And I just got that one stubborn little piece of tape here. A giant knife to cut through them, I know. Just so nice. Sometimes I have to get this old bar curver knife out. Got another side that I didn't cut, huh? All right, there we go. All right, so this is a, I've got two designs. That's why they sent them separately, I guess. I got most of them in this style. I had actually got a second marked before from them of this style, or perhaps it was a silver round. So there we are with the 1 ounce fine copper Golden State Mint. I know I mention them a lot, but I am not sponsored by the Golden State Mint. I just happen to use them because they tend to have the best sales for what I'm looking for, generally speaking. Although there are some up-and-comers I've noticed around, I think it's Liberty Copper's one, that had similar pricing. And the thing that always gets you with these sites and their sales is the shipping, right? So you get hit with the shipping, and the shipping can dramatically impact the overall price of your purchase, unless usually the limit is you have to go over 100 or 125 or something like that. On rare occasion, you might see free shipping for $50 and over, but usually what you'll find, and I'm going to put these back in this tube here, I believe that I got, without showing everybody my address in the shipping, I believe I got 20 total. Let's see here. In any case, I also got 5 of these nice older style, sort of older copper round style design. These, of course, being the more modern ones, modern looking ones. And then this is the Buffalo nickel style of copper round. And why am I having so much difficulty today with the packaging? Because I should have just brought out my little chunk box cutter. All right, so here they are. Get them up here real close so you can see. In fact, I'll dare to take it out. Hold it by the edges. So those actually have look a lot better than they do in the, on the website. It has a much nicer, I don't know if it's quite mirror quality, but a really nice shine on that backdrop that I wasn't expecting. I was expecting more of sort of a dull, old look, kind of like the raised portion here across the whole copper round. And again, got 5 of those. They're all in flips here. And then, I believe it's, I'll have to count. Let me Okay, I'm totally off. 10 and the 5 in flips. Periodic table nomenclature here for the silver. AG and CU, right? Must be Buffalo 1 ounce copper. And then the GSM, Golden State Mint, copper eagle. Interesting. All right. So that's all I have to, Now this, I noticed that these were also on sale, I want to say, for $24, or was it 26? 24 or 26? Maybe it was 24 spot, and these were selling at 26. But it did look like a decent price. I checked against other sites at the moment, and I like this one too. Got a nice look to it. We'll get it out here and hold it by the edges. Yeah, I like that. That looks nice. A little bit of micro scratching or fingerprints or something there on the mirror surface. But on a silver bullion round, I am not super worried about how pristine this looks. If this were a silver eagle where I was paying a premium because it's officially a coin and collectible, then that would bother me more. But for the price I got, considering it was very close to spot price, still, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, the difference in spot on a silver round, you can still pick up like 1.5 of these. So, always something to consider. In any case, I have more to barter with. That was just a small little purchase there. I want to say I spent roughly, with the shipping and everything, maybe $50, something along those lines. Not too bad for a pickup. These will go in the secret vault in an undisclosed location. All right, and that's all I had for today, folks. And this has been Copper Mutant, now signing out. See you next time.